my obstacle course and monkey before. Okay. Get off. For some reason, it has made me take a picture. Oh, damn it. God. Subscribe or you will get a chicken nugget. And I know you want the chicken nuggets. Well, I am a YouTuber, and there's something else I want to be when I'm older. I want to be a chicken nugget YouTuber. Oh, damn it. Fell off. Why is this all... Give me a sec. My cat, Rocky, is doing some... So you know what? Who cares? I really just go up the... It's kind of like over there. Let me guys sing songs. Don't fall, don't. Good. Good. No! Why do slides have to be so slippery? Okay, finally. Feeling like we should make a target here. Think I've got. Yeah. Okay. Don't blame me. Okay. Now I'll just go get this. Ow! Gotta get an ice piece. Oh. Bro. I'm still standing stuck in my head. Can't blame myself, it's a good song. I'm still standing on my own. Okay, good. Subscribe. This took me a very long time. I mean, a really long time. Like, absolutely ages. But stop. That's good. But stop. If you wonder what, if you can hear the sounds in the background, just my dad putting our fire on. What? Don't really know if it's a fire or wood burner, because I'm pretty sure when we got it, the people said it was a wood burner, but I don't know. I just say it's a fire. Anyways, I just need a platform. Dun, dun, dun. Bro! So short. Yes. No. perfect. Do. Da, 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 da. Okay. Okay. Subscribe. Oh no. Okay, don't pretend like we made that. Because we did. Wait. Right. I'm following TGT Pig Jr. Don't. Yes, sir. Don't make me fall. You know what? I just need to get to the cake. I'm fat. No! If I make this, I'm gonna be in TGT. In 1 second. Bro, why does my arm keep disappearing? Do you know what? I'm just gonna try to do it. Bro, I can't. Yeah! Bro, I swear if I fell. Yoink. I got my cake stuck. Yes, that's the end of the video. Please like and subscribe. I will really appreciate it. And you won't get chicken nugget if you do not subscribe. So I recommend you do. I'll eat you.